Today we're going to be tying up a 400-year-old fly pattern that still catches fish. This pattern is called the alder. The alder was a pretty fairly well-known fly before it made its first appearance in the Book of St. Albans, written by Dame Julianne Burns, who is the head nun of the abbey. The alder fly imitates the alder. The alder is named for it commonly being spotted in alder bushes, which grow close to water. The alder spends most of its life living on the silty bottoms of streams as a larva. Then it only lives for a few hours as a fully grown adult, where they mate and then die. This pattern is showing a alder that has died and is now slowly sinking to the bottom, where it will hopefully be gobbled up by a unsuspecting fish.